everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be checking out the WETOKEN project. As you can see here, we have the website, which is of course the best cryptocurrency investment project. WETOKEN is a professional multi-chain digital wallet, of course, relying on the team's technical accumulation and security experience in the blockchain field. It guarantees the asset security of global digital currency users from multiple dimensions and provides simple, convenient, safe, and reliable digital assets management services. So yeah, as you can see, it is really nice wallet, and here you can download it on the App Store and of course Google Play. And a little, of course, here we have the languages, and you can check, of course, the community, the Facebook, Twitter, and more, as you can see. So now maybe let's check the wallet. So yeah, and firstly you have to enter the WeToken wallet as you can see, of course, and check the singles. And here you can find the Antenom, BTC, and more. As you can see, the cumulative income and the current stake, your savings, and here you can find the information about the high ROI, the 730% from March 20 to May 20. Use WeToken wallet to pledge USDT and Dogecoins, and the return on investment is a high as 750. Consult customer service for details. Yeah, as you can see, really nice information. And now, of course, you can also check the information about more. Yeah, and of course, here you can find also the information about the stake details, and you can approve, of course, checking approve, and you can find the transaction details. Of course, if you confirm payment, you can check, and you have to enter your password, of course, and of course, after if one day or the third day you can check your wallet and you can give your of course income. And of course here you can check your, of course you have to enter your password as you can see. And now you can find here the information about your transaction. You can select loss strategy, of course check the max stake quantity, your balance stake quantity, and the of course take quantity. Yeah, and if you of course click the confirm, you can check the transaction details. And if you want to confirm your payment, you have to also enter your password as you can see. And here on the stake details you can find of course your current, which is of course different as you can see. And yeah, and after one day, on the third day, you can check your wallet of course, and you can give your income. And as you can see, if you add stocking mining to stocking, you can invest any amount and then enter the WeToken wallet again the next day or the third day. You will see the income generated by stocking mining, and of course and the iDrop rewards you get. You are in the process. And of course, as you can see, you have to also enter your password. And of course, after entering your password, you can also check your of course stake details. You can of course find your income after the one day on the or the third day of course. And you can check your assets and token details. So now you can transfer your boost to the USDT as you can see on the swap. And yeah, as you can see, you can transfer that without any problems, and only by entering your password. So as you can see, you can invest any amount and then enter the WeToken wallet again the next day or the third day of course. And yeah, and you can swap of course, transfer your boost to the USDT. Yeah, it's really easy as you can see. And your assets, it's now it's different as you can see, and you can check that, yeah, by your token details. And here you can check your records as you can see, and your history. Yeah, so it's really nice. And a little lower we have the transfer and the receiving, so you can find here on the day wallet. And now of course let's check the introduction to give your iDrop. And here we have the of course wallets, and here you can find your wallet of course. And your iDrop, of course, you can get. Here you have the iDrop reward. The iDrop rules: stake some of your coins for pledge using our pool section. Fill in your phone number and email. address to receive an airdrop reward of up to 500 boost, of course. And here you can find the information about your boost. And of course you also have to, of course, check your wallet. And here you can receive the airdrop. You have to write your actual name, email address, phone number, and of course you have to check the verification code. And here you have the graphical verification which you have to done. And of course, yeah, as you can see, it's really easy, of course. And here you can find, of course, the verification code, which you can find on your number. Yeah, and of course, you have to click the confirm. And now let's check the information about the wallet. One wallet manage multi-chain assets, safe and easy to use, of course, blockchain entry. As you can see, the multi-chain wallet of the multi-chain and multi-asset. One wallet with mainstream assets now support multiple main chains such as Ethereum, Tron, BSC, Hiko, and more. The asset safety take care of it. Build a comprehensive risk control system to fully protect the security of users' wallet. Zero loss pledge mining, currency generated USDT, lying to make high profits, assets are no idle, decentralized tampered proof mechanism. And the lower you can check, of course, the information the more about the wallet. Of course, the you can check the features, the asset security, private key, self-holding, guard carefully, multi-layer encryption, and the pledge mining, of course. Users obtain income by locking a single currency of stake, locked stocking, which is what they often call POS, proof of stake pledge, proof of rights and interests. Users obtain income by stacking on the blockchain for faster retrieve the pledge assets for transaction and transfers. WeToken will reserve a token liquidity pool to meet the needs of users to instantly retrieve the pledge assets when the pledge is released. The quick release of pledges function makes users immune to most POS projects. The effect of lengthy pledge period is solved, and the deposition of pledge assets can be managed flexibly. Automatic reinvestment to amplify income. WeToken stocking supports the one-click compound interest function, allowing stocking income to be automatically reinvested in pledge to realize compound interest income. And here, of course, you can check the wallet, of course, as we can see, and you can check the information also about the dual currency pledge. Dual currency pledge is an investment product with floating returns, and they use proprietary strategies to provide liquidity, which means you can obtain higher returns. And of course, a mortgage loan. The borrower pledges BTC and other digital assets as collateral and chooses the loan period and interest rate. The lender invests USDT in WeToken and selects the corresponding lending conditions such as a lending period and interest rate. The lending rate is generally lower than other platforms. Yeah. And the history, which is really interesting. The January 2021 WeToken is released online, as you can see, and the November 2021 WeToken has been reviewed by security experts, and the security level has been raised again. And more they, of course, yeah, history, and they partners, as you can see, which is really interesting. And they contact the injury email and the office address. So yeah. And of course, as you can see here, you can check the transferring from a WUST to the USDT. And here you can of course check your flats, as you can see. And here you can find the stake details on which you can receive rewards, approve dirt and approve WUST. As you can see, the current log for 10 days and for 30 days. You can check also, and the main you can also check. As we can see, the of course total balance, the token, and the APR. And after you can check, of course, yeah, on the pulse, it will have the assets, news, markets, pulse, and your account you can check also. And here you can borrow or borrow order. As we can see, I want to borrow it here, or you can stake quantity, and if you can of course click stake borrowing, and here you can check of course the transactions details here, and after you can check your singles. And yeah, so check the community for the more information about the wallet, and of course check the app if you have any questions, of course. So yeah, I think this is all. Thank you so much for watching that video. Leave a like, subscribe, let me know what do you think in comments, and remember that I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and bye.